Fuck, your brother's calling me. Hey, babe. Yeah, no, your little brother's just stuck on the last little bit. I know, right? You just know how busy we've been. And oh yeah, you trust us, right? Hang on, babe. Just give me a second, please. No, I haven't got much to tell you actually. I'm just so excited to see you, babe. I know, it's been such a long, hard day with your little brother. He's such a naughty boy. Listen, just give me another second. Please don't go anywhere. No, babe, listen. There's just a few things that I need to finish off. But I'll call you back. Come and pick me up.